Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by putting the control panel into service or bypass so alarms won't trigger. This protects you and the system. Once done, remove power sources, cut AC at the breaker, and if accessible, remove backup battery. Make sure you have a small Phillips and a flat prying tool, gloves, and a flashlight. Locate the sensor and read the model label so you know where screws or clips are. From here, you'll remove the cover and expose the internals. You now open the housing by undoing the screws or depressing the plastic clips. Place fasteners in a labeled container to avoid confusion. Once open, locate the tamper switch. Press it gently to release, but do not force the plastic. This preserves the switch and contacts. Next, identify the wiring harness and battery. Take a clear photo and note polarity and connector orientation so you'll reinstall correctly. If connectors are tight, wiggle straight out to avoid damaging pins. You finish by reconnecting the battery and wiring exactly as documented, then reattach the cover and tighten screws snugly but not over-tightened. Restore AC power and take the panel out of service mode, then run a sensor test from the alarm controller to confirm operation. If the sensor still fails, first verify battery voltage and connector seating. If pins are corroded or the tamper switch is damaged, replace the sensor module. One tip: if intermittent, swap batteries before replacing the unit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.